It's just tighten it and we'll keep going. This is loose, but yeah, anyways, let's go.
Wait, is my GoPro on?
It's on, just press that and you're good. Let's go. Yeah. Alright. Same trail, first time. Ego trip if we have time. Or well, wherever you want to go. I mean, there's outlaw, but hey. Oh. Nah. Unless you want to. Oh. Oh. Okay, let's go. Greenhorn. All right, keep going. Go.
Wait, no. Let's wrap it up.
Why not?
I forgot this is the bad thing.
Oh yeah. This is the new one. Well, we didn't go on this, but okay, let's keep going.
We went on this first time.
No. Oh. Then I'll check. I'll take a look. Oh yeah, maybe we did. I'll check it anyways. All right, let's go up that. I feel so much better. Oh. All right, where do you want to go?
I want to try that other trail.
I don't know, wherever you
I
want.
want to try that other trail, but I feel like we shouldn't.
No, because that's where we can go with the blue. Here we can't go in there.
Let's go deviant.
All right.
Deviant spot.
It is. We went here the first time, yeah. I'm good. Ooh. Okay. Not as good. Ooh. Big one. Oh, the views, the sunset's nice. Way better than Sterling. Yeah, I see. Oh! Way better than Sterling! Oh wait, don't you want to go there? Peter, yo! Alright. Ooh, I hit that a little bit hard. Ooh! I ripped it. Ooh, ha ha! Keep going, yes! Oh! I send it on that one. I full send it. I just full send it. No brakes. Oh! Oh! Oh shit, a chipmunk. Whoa. I almost ran over a chipmunk. Oh. Ooh. Thank you.
Come on. It's our last run.
All right. I wish we came here early. Oh, easy.
Now, don't put it in yet. Don't put it in. Don't. Okay.
I'm good.
Tires gonna get thrown.
That'll be fine.
Hi, do you perhaps know the time?
It is 5:49, so you got 10 minutes.
Probably our last ride.
Yeah, next to last. Yeah, never call last ride. Valid. Too many guys go down on their last. Next to last, all the time.
Thank you. How's it going, brother?
Oh, we're number 2.
Oh, we're lucky.
So do you want to go like, hold on, what was it? Do you want to go instead of on the towards that green trail?
Maybe that's how you clean your blood.
Well, yo, instead of that, you know that blue trail that we took last? Do you want to instead take that green trail we took the first time?
Okay, I'm gonna stop.